5 Day Crypto back with another Bitcoin video, this time focusing on the daily chart. So what have we done lately? Well, 3 days ago, we've tapped off of the EMA8 holding resistance, as we've done, as you will do in a bear market that we're in. What kind of bear market are we in? Are we in Mr. Snugglesworth? Not even close. We are in this guy's mouth. Look how many shitcoins he's eaten. We are in trouble. This guy, he's long gone. We are now stair-stepping down to purgatory. But is this abnormal? Are we in anything crazy? No, right? Just invert the chart and you could see that this is kind of how bull markets look like when they're stair-stepping, right? You got to move up, consolidate, move up, consolidate, move up, and you guessed it, consolidate, right? Are we going to hold this and lift off? Well, until we don't, right? Until we don't, we should consider the fact that the odds are that we will continue that direction. You want to, give momentum the benefit of the doubt here. So, how would we start to overcome that, right? How would the bulls? How would we go from that to back to Mr. Snuggles? Well, we'd have to start closing above the EMA8. That would be step one, baby steps. And then two, we need to take out this high right here, right? So look back at this consolidation, right? This is about a month of just sideways blah. So we could do that again, right? That could take us, well into July. So be prepared for that. Be prepared for a drop sooner than later. If we start to turn red here and hold that rejection point, then down we go. But right, look at this high right here. After this initial drop, we bounce up right here, right? And that is the high you really need to take out, that initial kind of high, right? That's 23.3, right? So that is the number you need to be thinking about if we want to start turning back to the Downey softeners or whatever the hell is Snugglesworth. There he is. If we want to go back to that guy, we got to take out 23.3. We got to take out the 21-day EMA. And looking back at this, right? Here is our high, 32.6, right? Did we overtake that? No, right? We tried. We got very close with these candles. Broke through the 21 EMA. Even broke on the upside of the Bollinger Bands even, right? We had some effort, but held the EMA 34. That's the dark orange line here. Dark orange line in English. And then we rejected, right? And then consolidate back, and we tried it again and rejected again. We never got back above that first high wick after the drop. So until we get back above here, the odds are, that's all you have in crypto or trading or anything in life. The odds are bearish still. And what kind of bear? Again, that guy. All right, so that's that. And just to put it plain and simple, right? That's what you want to be looking for. Another thing, if we do it down, right, the best case would be to make a higher low, right? That would be another sign. But the odds are, right, stair-stepping down, you're in downwards momentum. The odds of you just suddenly reversing for not really any rhyme or reason is the obtuse angle in that picture. So we'll remain downwards until you see signs of not downwards, okay? To be as most confusing as possible. All right, so another key tool to help you along the way, right? This is free on TradingView, ADX and DI. Most of you should have this by now if you've watched any of my videos. The bears are in the red. The bulls are in the green, right? The higher the ADX is, right? The average directional index in the orange. Whoever's on top, right? Clearly, we know who's on top, right? That is the person that you need to give the most respect to. So we're giving the utmost respect to the bears because not only are they on top, but they're Kodiak bears, right? This is the big boys, right? We're not, Mr. Snuggles is down here, right? Here's Snuggles. We're now in shitcoin eating Kodiak right here. All right, so that is your cheat sheet. Until we have a move up and you see this cross green, at least on the daily. I prefer the weekly. How does the weekly look? I'm glad you asked. Well, we're running out of breath. What do we see here? More of the same, right? Maybe even twins on the big bears, right? Gaining strength on the weekly, gaining strength, right? Bears are on top, bigger. The bears are growing and getting stronger. on the weekly, on the daily. We're not going anywhere, right? This is just a relief rally. Look at my mouse cursor, right? There's some coins that recover nice. Matic's doing quite well in this recovery so far, or at least this relief rally. And it will remain just a relief rally until we start to do those things that we've done. Close this gap, right? This is not looking great for the bulls. This is looking great for the bears. So keep that in mind, right? This will prevent you from falling for the smoke and mirrors. Is this a nice rally? Is this the bottom in, right? Not likely until the bulls take back over, right? Not likely, right? This guy is trying to fool you to thinking he's this guy. Don't fall for it, right? All right, so that's what I got for you, Mr. Snuggles. All right, quote of the day. To find out what one is fitted to do and secure an opportunity to do it is the key to happiness. What a long quote. All right, car of the day, and just got the new hat. It does say Cybertruck. That is the Cybertruck. And why now? Elon just said that he's locked in the final design, so no more changes. So now we begin the process of production. So hopefully the first ones will start production at the end of this year, but most likely the mass volumes will start around this time next year. So we're looking at mid 2023 to even start to ramp up. I'm looking at probably 2023 December before you start seeing these on the street. At least a chance for it. Yeah, that's it. But there it is. It's supposed to be the most advanced by far from what I've heard. I'm excited, but I've had it reserved for only 3 years now. So we're looking like a 5-year reservation hold time. Ridiculous. That's all I got. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Let me know if you learned anything new, or if you liked it, or if you liked a little bit of the comedy, the failed comedy with this guy. Or, I mean, your teeth are rotten, bro. I mean, damn, you eat that many shitcoins. I mean, what do you expect? But, yep, there you go. Bitcoin summary, Cybertruck summary. Who do you like better? Oh, I wonder if this guy could get in the Cybertruck. It's supposed to be, 9mm bulletproof. We'll see how that holds up. Hopefully they fix the glass. All right.